My journey getting to this point was kind of the jack of all trades. I had zero background in manufacturing.
I went to college and I learned a lot of great stuff and I went into other fields of work, but I wish I knew that manufacturing and this as a trade was an avenue that I could have went down that I didn't know I was going to enjoy as much as I do.
They don't really teach you much about the actual hands-on process of making things in high school. So I didn't know much about it, but I always knew I wanted to be involved in making things on some level.
I started out as just a helper, and now I'm the tool room supervisor.
I didn't know I was going to get into manufacturing. I took a job out of the blue at another company, spent some time there and found that I loved working with my hands. I'm not much for a desk job.
I was interested in robotics, and I knew that they use CNC machines here, which is kind of a branch of robotics, and I knew that even if I went on to engineering in the future, having experience in hands-on manufacturing would help me down the line.
Wepco Plastics is a manufacturing company that specializes in rapid prototype and short-run plastic injection molding. With the plastics manufacturing and toolmaking we do here at Wepco, we work from concept to design through mold manufacturing and part production, offering a one-stop shop option for all mold building and injection molding needs. As a family-owned business in the state of Connecticut, originating in the basement of shop owner Wally Parmley, we take pride in our team-oriented core values and ensure that our team vision is consistently in line with Wally's original vision. We do more than produce parts. We foster and uphold an environment centered around doing the right thing, doing more, impacting our community, and continuously improving.
I'd say if a student wanted to come into manufacturing, it's incredibly important to want to learn new things. There's so much to learn, so many operations that you don't think about on the day-to-day because you don't really think about where your water bottle came from or where your mug, cup, whatever came from. And you get to see the whole behind the curtain, essentially.
This is one job where you can see a concept start from an idea and end up in a solid part or a solid outcome or finished product. It's satisfying seeing that, something you could physically touch and see what you've contributed to get there. This is basically the raw material we use, aluminum. We sometimes use S7, which is steel, and we take raw blocks and we actually put them in the machines and cut them to shape to produce our end product, which is a plastic part. So we use machines, milling centers that we have over here. We have 3 of them, and I'll program the machine to cut the actual shapes that we're looking to accomplish. So basically, after the whole cutting in the milling centers, we come up with our end product, our end mold, which produces plastic parts. These 2 halves come together. They get set up in a molding machine, which you will learn about later. They separate, and a plastic part comes out.
Today we're here with one of our medium-sized molding machines, and we'll trace the path of the plastic that runs through it. All starts here in the hopper, where we load up all of our plastic pellets. They come down and feed into this long hot tube, where they turn into molten plastic, and then that molten plastic is injected into our mold right here. The mold then opens, pushes out the part, closes, and it all starts over again.
What keeps me going is every day is different. I've never had the same day here. So every day is a challenge, but every day keeps me on my toes.
So as a mentor, some of the things I look for specifically are capability to learn, eagerness to learn, and the initiative.
If you like to tinker with things, if you're able to adjust if a curveball is thrown at you, you got to be hands-on, you got to be hardworking, you got to be open-minded.
We're very close-knit here, and it's really important to me. I think that's what I love most about my job.
I think the biggest challenge in manufacturing is adjusting to the challenges, adjusting to if a new tool doesn't run correctly, you might have to make a little tweak here and there because 80% of the time you're not going to get a new tool to run first shot. So you'll have to make some tweaks here and there. That's the biggest challenge because you never know exactly how a tool is going to run.
Because we're smaller, it's easier to be a team. It's easier to band together and help each other get our jobs done efficiently and help each other become even better employees. And I think that makes a big difference in us being a small company over a big company, because my last job was in a big company and there were a lot of redundancies. There were a lot of things that went wrong and caused catastrophes, not because of errors with our products, but because of errors in processes. So my job with COVID changed pretty drastically. We changed to a completely different schedule because we weren't shutting down. We separated shifts.
I think we've gotten busier, so it's shown that there is a need for manufacturing. That's not going to go away.
It was very fulfilling because I knew we were making medical products and positive things that were helping to get us out of this situation.
Right now we're trying to design clear face masks, not the face shields, but the face masks, so that people can see your face, your smile as you're talking to them. Because you never realize how much you need to see people's mouths to really understand what they're saying. It's just really exciting to be on the cusp of something great.
I like to think that we made a difference somewhere. Wepco specifically provided me a lot of opportunity to grow and to come into something new, and I've learned more than I could say.
As you've seen from our team today, those in manufacturing come from all walks of life with varying backgrounds and levels of skill. Here at Wepco, we hire for fit and then train for skill, and because of this, we are proud of the people we have on our team. Think manufacturing could be a good fit for you? Reach out to Amanda at Wepco Plastics. You can be a part of developing ideas in manufacturing reality.
We are Wepco.
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 We are Wepco.